Hey, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how to install some LED interior lights on your GMC Terrain. I got these off of Amazon. It's pretty straightforward. It'll help too if you got some trim removal tools. That way you don't damage the plastic around the your light housings. But I'm going to go through and show you how to change each one. So let's get started. Okay. So the cool thing about this kit I bought, which is specifically for Terrain, but it does have everything labeled. So right there, front map dome lights. This is really cool. License plate light. See, rear map dome light. Oops, there's the vanity lights. About to drop them all. See right there, vanity mirror lights. That's really nice. Most of them, the ones I've got before, they just come in a one big pack and you just kind of figure it out. But that's really cool. I'll have links in the description on these too. That way you can get you a set, because yeah, you can't beat them for the price. Alright, so first thing, I'm going to replace the vanity lights. Basically, you want to just take your trim removal tool, get down around the edge of the light, like so. Just be careful, because these tabs on the edge can pull over on the fabric. But whenever you put it back, it'll hold it in place. Let me use my tool. So that just get in. Oops. Alright, so all you gotta do, get in behind here, pop it out. Very simple. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna get a light. Alright, so I got a little light on now. But here's the little LED. These are polarity sensitive, so what you want to do is go ahead and put it in like that. And now let's test it out. Okay, so that's not working like that. So you want to remove it, flip it 180, reinstall it. Well, I want to make sure it's turned right too. I don't want to mess it up. Alright, so it's hard to do a little one hand. Okay, so that's back in there. So check it out. Woo-wee. That thing's bright. And all you gotta do to reinstall it, make sure you got it turned right. Clip that in there. And then just snap it right back into place. There it is. And I'll show you real quick a side-by-side comparison on these. If I can get back far enough. There. So, yeah, you can definitely tell right there. That looks a lot better. It's more even light, plus it's a lot brighter. Alright. So basically, you want to do the same thing on all the vanity mirrors. It's going to be the same process. Alright, so next I'm going to do the map light. Basically, you need to get in here and pull it down. This is where, there. So get your tool in here. You want to grab the edge and pull down. Go ahead and get both sides like so. Once you get that, the other edge should pop out. There. Come on. Just be careful, because you do not want to break your cover here. Let's see. Oh God. Okay. So let me see if I can get this here in there. Get it to pop out. See, basically it's just got these little clips. They clip in here. But for whatever reason, I guess it's just hanging in there pretty darn good. Alright, so I got this out. I accidentally stopped recording, but anyway, once you hold that back up, get your tool there and it'll pop right out. Alright, so next you just plug these in just like the other ones. Pretty simple. These look like some really good quality. Lots of copper. But anyway, so let's get in there, see if I can get a shot. See, it's got a little slot there. And there you go. You just got to get it in there. I don't think I got it lined up right. There it goes. There. So let's test it out real quick. There it is. You can do a little side by side on these two. I mean, these LEDs, you just can't beat them. You want to be able to see inside your vehicle at night, definitely get you some. Alright, so then you just do the same thing for this side. Pull it out. Right. And definitely test it before you put it, the cover back on. But that's all there is to it. And then all you gotta do, reinstall your cover. Oh man, I keep hitting these things. Okay. I like to put the back in first. Put the back here in first. Pop the sides in, and then the front. Make sure it's in there good. There you go. Alright, next is the center console light. Here, I'm going to try to get up under the bottom. Pop it out. There you go. So there's actually a little trigger here. Comes out with it. Probably want to make sure it's good and cool before you take it out though. I have a feeling it might have been on too long. Let's see if I can get this stabilized. God dang. Alright. There is a plug here. You know, just disconnect it. Yeah, thing's pretty warm now, so definitely want to be careful. I may be able to just pop it out here. So what I'm going to do is see if I can just pop it out from the bottom. I can get in there. Oops. There you go. So it just pops right out there. Now I'm good. I'm going to grab, I guess that's going to be, strip that open. We'll test it out. So that's the right way. Just make sure you get it lined up good. There. Oh yeah, that's bright. So next, just gotta reinstall it. Make sure you get your little trigger up here. Comes up through that hole there. There you go. It's back in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can see in there a lot better. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, so next I'm going to do the rear dome light. These just have little clips here. Oh, there it goes. And that's all there is to it. Watch out for the bugs. Yeah. A little messy. Anyway, it's just like the front map lights. You just pull these out here. Well, anyway, I'll leave that for comparison real quick. Alright, so then just slide these in like so. Make sure you get them lined up good. I'm having a hard time doing because it's so tight. There it goes. There. That's it. So that's alright. So that's it. Just testing it out real quick. And pull that one. Reinstall this one. Yeah, there it goes. And test it. That's good. So then all you gotta do, reinstall your cover just like you took it off. So it's gonna slide into those slots and then just push it in. There it is. That's all there is to it. You got some nice bright lights. Alright, so last but not least is the rear dome light. This is for the trunk, and it pops off just like the one in the middle. Pop that out, and these slide right out of there. There's only one in here, so make it a little simpler. And you just want to slide it in the slot just like the other ones. Alright, now let's test it out, make sure it works. Okay, I'm gonna hit the switch. And there you go. So that's the last one. Alright, so that's how you install these LEDs on the interior of your GMC Terrain, or your Chevy Equinox, or maybe a Buick Enclave if you got one of those. Definitely get you some of these. It's going to really help the interior lighting of your vehicle. You just can't beat it. This video just don't do it justice. I'm going to have links in the description of where to get these lights and the tools that I use. I'm also going to have a video coming up of how to install LED headlights and fog lights in your Terrain, or whatever else you got. So if you can, help me out, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.